I don't know. We're going this way, Stephen. The dogs will come. Come on, Fred. Brutus.
That way's where all the bear food is.
No, we don't feed the bears.
Oh, well, by that red thing, there's like a cement thing.
Yeah.
And it has like food in it and stuff.
Yep. Raccoons, deer.
Oh, right.
Look at it. What is that? Is that an egg?
It's a mushroom.
Oh.
Poisonous.
You can't eat mushrooms.
Some you can. Some you can't.
These one.
That one you can't.
Everyone that are outside you cannot eat. They're poisonous.
Not everyone, no. Where do you think they get mushrooms?
No.
Outside.
But my belly
I ate.
only when it's summer.
Grandma. You wanna know what? Why does he do that sometimes?
He does.
Why does he not like coming for walks so many times?
He's getting older and doesn't like to go as often.
Oh.
Yeah. Like old dogs still want to go to sometimes.
Ooh,
But
Grandma.
Ooh, the leaves are turning.
away.
I guess we're taking the path to the right.
Oh, if you go out to Harrietta, there's this one spot that's covered with all trees on both sides. And when it's in like fall, it is really pretty. It has like all the colors.
Like in summer,
Yeah.
the leaves turn different colors, like pretty colors.
That's in the fall, honey.
Look at this pretty leaf.
Yep. We've got red and purple now.
Purple. Yeah.
Yeah?
And there's some light blue.
You find a bright blue one and show me it, and I want to see it. Did you fall, Stephen?
Yeah.
Oh, those are mushrooms. But those are some bright orange leaves. Those are good. I'm not afraid. I'm going in.
She's just only going so far.
Yeah.
Hi, Grandma.
Steven.
You going the wrong way?
Hi, Grandma.
What'd you find, Stephen?
Out here. Is that like a great?
Sure looks that way.
It is a grape.
Where are you going, Stephen?
There's different colored mushrooms and stuff.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys, I took the shortcut. Ow!
I need to get back here.
Nice.
These are good times. These are falling. It's too much fall. Well, it is fall.
Freddy.
Freddy!
Freddy! He maybe went back home.
He might have. If he got tired, he went home. He does that.
Or maybe he was.